Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Shein and signing in so your searches and favorites save instantly. Make sure location and currency are correct. This avoids unavailable items. If you're on mobile, use the app for easier filters, but desktop gives broader search tools. Once done, tap the search bar and prepare to enter keywords. Use short descriptive terms first. Puppy keep, so you see exact matches quickly, and then refine with categories or filters to narrow results effectively. Now you refine results so you find the specific item faster. Type the exact phrase or combine keywords, puppy plus keep, then hit search. Make use of category filters like accessories or home decor and lock in price range and color to remove noise. Sort by relevance or newest to push official listings or recent uploads to the top. Once results appear, scan thumbnails for brand markings and tap an item to read the description, because product names and tags can vary. Finish by opening the product page and verifying details. Size, material, and customer photos. These show real-life appearance. Add the item to your wish list or cart so you can monitor price or availability and set restock alerts when needed. If you don't find the item, clear the app cache, try exact phrase searches or different keyword orders, and switch between app and desktop. If nothing works, contact Shein support with the product name and screenshots to get help resolving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.